Welcome to Master Your CRM. I'm Brandon Fisher. I am so glad you're here. Let's master this together. Today, what we're going to talk about is BoldTrail. This is going to be a 3-part series, and it's going to pertain to your BoldTrail website. The 3 parts that I'm going to talk about in this series are going to be understanding your website. What is it? How does it work? Why does it matter? Why do you have a website with BoldTrail? Part 2, I'm going to navigate your website settings in BoldTrail. How to set those up, what to choose. Step 3, we're going to talk about widgets, blog posts, SEO, and custom pages. All right, let's get started. Part 1, understanding your website. What is it? How does it work? And why does it matter? Your BoldTrail website is a centralized website that ties in to your CRM. Every agent that has a BoldTrail account also gets a BoldTrail website. It's connected to your MLS, which is also called IDX. And anytime a lead goes to your website, clicks on a listing, clicks on a home valuation report, clicks on a market report, that lead goes directly into your system. Think of your website as a digital storefront. A lot of people go to realtor.com, Zillow, homes.com, Redfin, all of those places to look at listings. But because you're your local expert in your real estate market, you have your website connected to your MLS. Now people can get that same experience from going to those mega brand websites by going to your website in BoldTrail. So that's why it's really important and very powerful for you. How does it work? Well, your MLS will sync with your website in real time. Most MLSs out there now have an API connection to BoldTrail, which means that anytime a listing is added, removed, updated with an open house, all of that information will go straight to your website and allow leads to check that out, look at those listings, and get their information they need. There are lead capture forms on your website. There are home valuation tools on your website. There are search filters on your website. And again, all of the leads that go through those channels will connect directly into your BoldTrail account. Visitors can save searches, they can favorite listings, they can request showings with you, and you will get notified instantly in your CRM of those actions. So why does this all really matter? Well, it builds your authority and your credibility online as your local real estate expert. It captures organic leads for you 24/7 while you're sleeping, while you're on vacation, all of those kinds of things. So your website is always out there, always searchable. It's always there for people to go and look at listings, get a market report, so on and so forth. It keeps all of your marketing consistent and trackable. So when you post things online, like social media, or you run ads, or you build landing pages or squeeze pages links, and you put that out in the public, it drives that traffic to your website. Also, the SEO in there will help you be found. If somebody's searching for homes in your area, you're more likely to pop up in that search, which will again, then just build your credibility online. And then just think of this as your own real estate digital footprint. So your website is very important to help drive business, create new business, and stay top of mind with your leads. The key takeaways from this are your BoldTrail website isn't just a landing page. It's your automated digital hub that comes and connects your business with real estate in your area. It builds your authority and credibility online. It generates leads for you and captures those leads organically or by pushing people there through your social posts 24/7. And there's no need to pay for another real estate website. You have a website. It's through your CRM. So it's really, really important that you have this set up and that you're utilizing it as a tool. Okay, let's talk about how you find your website. Let's talk about how you view your website and how you find the settings for your website. I have logged into my BoldTrail account. Here it is right here. And the way you're going to get to this website is 2 ways. You can click on your profile in the top right-hand corner, and there's a little globe underneath the settings. If you click on that, it will take you right to your website. So that's how you can locate your website quickly and easily. If you wanted to find the settings or where all of the website settings are housed, It's really simple. It's over here on the left-hand side under Web and IDX settings. If I click that, I'm going to be taken to my Web and IDX settings, which we'll go over in our next video. Just know that your website is located up here in the top left-hand corner. All of the settings for your website are laid out at the very top. You can click View Your Website over here in the far right-hand corner, and down below that are your settings for your website. So let's go to the next video and talk about these settings and how they work. But before we do that, if you have any questions about your website, about setting up your BoldTrail account and using your BoldTrail account, feel free to scan this QR code to schedule a call with me, and I can use my services to help you maximize your website and your BoldTrail. Thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.